You ever lose something, not because you failed, but because you took too long to decide? Let me explain. A couple months ago, I had this government job offer, a 6-month contract that could have opened doors. But I kept overthinking. What if it's not stable? What if it ends and I'm stuck again? By the time I made up my mind, the offer was gone. Napoleon Hill said indecision is one of the main causes of failure, and I used to think he meant rash decisions were bad. But it's actually the opposite. Successful people decide fast and change their minds slowly. The rest of us, we change our minds before we even make one. When you hesitate, you convince yourself you're being rational. But most of the time, you're just scared of closing doors. The truth is, not deciding is a decision. It's just the one that costs you momentum. Because every opportunity has an expiration date, even the ones that seem safe. That moment stuck with me, not because I lost a job, but because I realized how fear disguises itself. It doesn't always show up as panic or doubt. Sometimes it sounds responsible. It tells you to wait for the right time, to think it through. And before you know it, the moment's gone. Not with a bang, but with quiet relief that later turns into regret. It's strange how hesitation feels safe in the moment until you see what it cost you. When you wait too long, you teach your brain that doubt is safer than action. Every delay builds the habit of hesitation, and habits over time shape who you become. That's why decisive people seem lucky. It's not luck, it's momentum built from trust in their own judgment. So here's what I learned. Clarity doesn't come before you act, it comes because you act. You'll never have all the information, or the perfect timing, or the full picture. But you will have a window, and if you don't move, it closes. I used to think hesitation protected me. Now I realize it just traded short-term comfort for long-term regret. Most people stay stuck because they wait for certainty before they move. But you won't because you're learning how to act before it's too late. This is Learn with Rardo, and this is my new 2-minute format. See you in the next one.